Hello guys, welcome to a new Photoshop tutorial. It's been a while I do videos like this, but please bear with me. It's not easy making videos, but I noticed that there's a new update, Photoshop update, and I needed to share it with you guys. We have all been in that situation where we want to move our subject from one background to another because we like the background, but we start encountering things like how to create realistic shadows and also how to harmonize our images to that new background. It has always been a problem. So Photoshop did a class once in Adobe Max last year where they showed people how the new feature is like. So we have been expecting it, but we didn't get it until now. So what I want to show you is I would look for an image. And let me look for, I think I should have a very good image. Let me use Ashakine for this particular video. So I'll just drag it into Photoshop. Then I'll drag it into that background that is already there, which is this background. What I'm about to do will work for any background. It's not just this background. You can just go pick your background. I have a background pack that are in my store that you can go and buy and still try it out there. But for now, let's just try it with a simple background that anybody can get. Or let's just use one of these. Let's just use something like this. So let's use this background and bring him into that background. So let's bring him into this background. So we'll just place him here. I'm not going to be resizing the image. I'm not going to be doing anything. I just want you to see how easy it is to now bring somebody into a new background and blend the person into the background and also create these shadows that you're seeing here, also create them. So we are going to remove background. What we are doing is we are removing background from this image. Once we remove our background, this is what we get. And sometimes you tend to get things like this, but it's not a problem. Then what we have to do next is use this button, because this particular class is about this new button, harmonized button, that is now inside Photoshop. So I'm going to click on it. When we click on it, it's going to take some time to load, which is sometimes dependent on our network and how fast it could search for what it's about to use, because it's internet based. And remember, this is the first production. This is the first one. Over time, they are going to adjust it and fix many other things. But let's see how it works. Now, this is what I get as my first option. This is what I get as my second option. Now, you see, my shadow is very, very strong going this way because my light is coming from this side. So let's see our before and after. Here is our before. Here is our after. You might be wondering why the color of his dress and everything is looking this way. It's looking this way because if you have to color grade your image to suit this background, you are going to color grade it like this. That is what it has done. You won't use that same color to match this background. It will be very, very hard. But sometimes if you feel like you don't like that, you want to work your image by yourself and all you want is that shadow that is below it, the shadow that it creates. You want that realistic shadow. Then you just Ctrl G to group it, put it in a new group, Ctrl G, and mask that group and remove every other thing from our subject. Paint it off. What I'm doing is I am using a very soft brush so that I don't get to remove everything at once. So I think what I've done now could work because I have just painted. Look at the mask. I have just painted it just a little off. Then everything is okay. You can still generate more image if you want to. You can generate as much as you want, anyone that you're okay with. But if you just want the background, you can still do well to do what I'm doing. Just paint the extras off, so you just get the shadow while everything is looking the way you want. It's just a choice thing. Any image would work, any background will work. I think this is going to change the business entirely. It's not just some persons that are going to be retouchers now. You and I are also going to be great retouchers now and photo manipulators, because now one of the major things about photo manipulation is trying to make your image mash into the new background. So if you're looking for background, please check out my store. If this video was helpful, please do well to drop a like and subscribe to this channel, because you're going to learn a lot from this channel. And I hope this video was helpful. Seriously, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope to see you in my next video.